This is Module 5, Lessons 29 on the back. Draw your own models to compare the following fractions. Number 6, I need to draw a model for 7/10, and I also need to draw a model for 7/8. So I'm going to start by drawing two rectangles that are exactly the same size so that I can easily compare them. The first is going to represent 7/10, and the second is going to represent 7/8. I'm going to partition 7/10 first, so I'm going to first partition into fifths by drawing 4 lines. Then I'm going to break each of those in half to create my tenths, and then I will shade 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10. I'll do the same for 7/8, but starting in half, partitioning the halves into fourths, and then breaking each fourth in half, which will give me eighths. And then I will shade 7/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. When I look at those two pictures, the eighths have larger pieces than the tenths. So even though there are only 7/8, there are still more of them because they take up more space in the rectangle. So 7/10 is less than 7/8. Try number 7, drawing a picture for 4/6 and 4/9. Number 8. For an art project, Michello used 3/4 of a glue stick. Yamin used 3/6 of an identical glue stick. Who used more of their glue stick? Use the model below to support your answer. Be sure to label one hole as one glue stick. So to start, I'm going to label the first as Michello because there are 4 equal parts, and she used 3/4. So I'm going to shade 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and I'm going to label that as 3/4. The second is Yamin, and he used 3/6. So I'm going to shade 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, and I'm going to label that as 3/6. My question asks who used more of their glue stick. So I want to look and see whose glue stick was used more of, or who is closer to filling up one hole. When I look at my two pictures, Michello's glue stick is almost filled up. It only needs one more section, and then it will be completely one whole glue stick used. Yamin, on the other hand, needs to use 3 more portions of his. So I think that Michello used more glue because 3/4 is greater than 3/6. Number 9. After gym class, Yasir drank 2/8 of a bottle of water. Jade drank 2/5 of an identical bottle of water. Who drank less water? Use the model below to support your answer. On your own, you're going to label for Yasir and Jade, making sure that you are labeling 2/8 and 2/5. After you shade, decide who drank less water, using the pictures to help you.